Hey everyone, today we're jumping into the Texas mission by Kioto XM. Our goal is to find the stolen cars and finish the race in first place. This is a Class 1 car, meaning it has high top speed, but can be a bit tricky to handle. It accelerates quickly and performs great on straight paths, but in tight corners, you need to be careful to maintain control and execute smooth drifts. Stephanie told us to search for the stolen cars, and Sander is the main suspect. Outriding Sander's friends will increase your reputation and give you more information about the stolen cars. This mission is a mix of speed, tactics, and opponent tracking. Kioto XM's top speed helps you pull ahead, but precise control in corners is key. Using its strengths wisely boosts your reputation and increases your chances of finishing first.